In this video, you will learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to Coinbase. By following these steps, you will successfully move your assets between these two platforms, ensuring that your funds are safely transferred. Begin by navigating to the Coinbase website. Once you arrive, sign in to your account using your credentials. After signing in, look for the Assets tab on the main dashboard. Click on this tab to view your available cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive from Binance. It is crucial to choose a supported network that corresponds with the asset you are transferring. Once you've made your selection, locate the Receive button and click it. This will display your unique deposit address. Carefully copy this address, ensuring accuracy, as any mistakes could result in the loss of your funds. Additionally, confirm that deposits are enabled for the selected cryptocurrency before proceeding to the next step. Now, turn your attention to Binance. Access the Binance website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which is typically found in the top menu. Click on wallets and then select withdraw from the drop-down options. In the withdrawal interface, choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Coinbase. After that, paste the deposit address you copied from Coinbase into the designated field. It is imperative to ensure that the network you choose for the withdrawal matches the network you selected on Coinbase. To avoid any complications, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and take a moment to review any associated fees before finalizing the withdrawal. Once you are satisfied with the details, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal from Binance, it is important to track the transaction on the blockchain. You can use a blockchain explorer to monitor the status and see the number of confirmations required for the transaction to be considered complete. While waiting, check your Coinbase wallet balance periodically to see if the funds have arrived. If you encounter any delays, save the transaction hash for your records. This hash can be useful if you need to contact support for assistance. It is advisable to avoid making repeated withdrawals while waiting for your transaction to complete, as this could lead to confusion and potential issues. Once the transaction has received the necessary confirmations on the blockchain, you should see the transferred funds reflected in your Coinbase wallet. If everything has gone smoothly, the amount you sent from Binance will now be available for use. In case of any discrepancies, or if the funds do not appear within the expected timeframe, reach out to Coinbase support for further assistance. They can provide guidance on resolving any issues that may have arisen during the transfer process. That concludes the tutorial on transferring cryptocurrency from Binance to Coinbase. Following these steps will help ensure a successful transfer while minimizing the risk of errors. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.